For this cake, we will first make the layers. We'll make 3 layers. For one, we need 4 eggs to separate the whites from yolks. Whip the egg whites while gradually adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. Once the whites are whipped, add 100 grams of roasted ground hazelnuts, 1 tablespoon of flour and 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Gently fold using a whisk or a spatula. Once all ingredients are combined, the batter for the layer is ready. Transfer the entire batter to a 35 by 25 centimeter baking tray lined with parchment paper. While doing this, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Smooth out the batter evenly and place it in the oven. The layer is baked and the baking time is 15 minutes. Immediately trim the edges to prevent the layer from shrinking. We will prepare the remaining 2 layers in exactly the same way. The third layer is also baked. We leave them to cool while we prepare the filling. Pour 900 milliliters of milk from 1 liter into a pot. Heat it on the stove until it boils. Meanwhile, mix the leftover yolks from the layers with 200 grams of sugar, 120 grams of cornstarch, 10 to 20 grams of vanilla sugar, and the remaining milk. Mix until there are no lumps. Pour the hot milk over the egg yolk mixture and stir everything together. Set this bowl aside. Take another bowl and pour the entire mixture into it. Once poured, cook it on the stove. Cook the filling over medium heat to avoid burning. When it starts to thicken, keep stirring constantly. The filling is almost ready. Once it reaches this thickness, you can remove it from the heat. Immediately add 400 grams of butter to the hot filling. Margarine can also be used. Now stir until the margarine or butter melts and combines with the filling. In the end, it should look like this. Divide the cream into 2 equal parts. Break 200 grams of dark chocolate into 1 part. Submerge the chocolate so it melts faster. Break 200 grams of white milk chocolate into the other part. Submerge this chocolate too so it melts faster. Cover the cream with plastic wrap or foil and leave it to cool. Once the creams are cooled, refrigerate them for an hour or 2, then whip them with a mixer. Place the first layer on a platter, pour a little milk over it and let it absorb. Spread the dark cream first, then the light one. The dark cream goes first because it is firmer. If the layer cracks like this, place it in the middle. Now pour some milk over it too. Let it absorb. Repeat the process until you use all the layers and cream. I decorated the cake with previously prepared and cooled chocolate glaze, and I'll apply whipped cream around the sides.